Our mission of building a better Bay Area means finding and highlighting places of progress. And tonight, we're celebrating one of those breakthroughs. The city of Palo Alto is moving forward with a plan to connect people living out of their cars to housing. Tonight, ABC 7 News South Bay reporter Lauren Martinez is live with the details regarding the city's safe parking program. Lauren.
Well, the city has piloted the program for the last 3 years. The vice mayor said this was an easy and obvious decision in order to provide a variety of services to those who were unhoused.
The city of Palo Alto is expanding their safe parking program at churches in order to combat homelessness.
I will enthusiastically support this motion.
On Monday, City Council voted to permanently establish the congregation-based safe parking program. Now, more spaces will be available for people to park. The city currently has 4 churches where people in passenger vehicles can park overnight with access to restrooms and connections to social service programs. The city said this year 34 individuals were connected to housing from these sites.
So housing might be finding an affordable housing unit. It might be connecting with friends or relatives who provide housing. But again, returning to housing that is meant and designed for human habitation.
In January of this year, the city took a point-in-time count of the number of individuals unhoused in Palo Alto. 206 individuals were unhoused. 181 of those were sleeping in vehicles, nearly 88%.
I have met with members of our RV dweller community who have told me they weren't counted. And I've heard that enough times from different people that it feels clear to me that there's an undercount.
With the expansion, the city directed staff to gather clearer data on the population of those who are unhoused in the city. The vote to expand passed 6-1. Councilmember Greg Tanaka was the only no vote.
And I think part of the issue is that it's kind of lightly used because unlike other cities like Santa Barbara or like Mountain View, where they also have parking enforcement, we only have the safe parking. So there's not much of incentive for people to park in these safe parking spots.
Even though the data said the safe parking sites are not at capacity and not in demand, majority of council felt anyone connected to housing from the program is a win.
13 is not 0. It's not 12. It's not 11. Each one that we can help to a positive outcome is worth the effort.
The city is also increasing the space at the public safe parking site for RVs located off Gang Road. As far as the next steps, 2 full-time caseworkers will be helping out with data collection. From our South Bay Bureau, Lauren Martinez, ABC 7 News.